Join the Ellicoin Airdrop campaign and earn exciting rewards. It's simple and quick. First, download the MetaMask wallet, install and set it up. Switch to the Polygon network. Copy your wallet address for later use. Open our Telegram bot at Ellicoinbit. Next, open the Ellicoin Telegram bot. Click on the Save/Update Phone button. Enter your phone number in the required format, starting with your country code followed by your phone number, e.g., +1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Then, click on the Save/Update email. Enter your email address. The next step is to enter your wallet address. You'll get a confirmation if everything is correct. Create your personal referral link using the bot. If you complete the referral link correctly, you will receive the message like this. Welcome. Your referral code is REF7442696027. Share it to earn points. Share it with friends to invite them to join the campaign. Maximize your rewards by following our social media channels. Subscribe to X, Telegram, YouTube, Instagram. Complete these steps to earn maximum points in the Ellicoin Airdrop campaign. Don't miss out.